Since 1983, Mastercam has been solving the world's manufacturing challenges. From the simple to the complex, from two-axis all the way to multi-axis and mill turning, Mastercam is everywhere in the globe. Now, as part of the Sandvik group, Mastercam is expanding globally. We're part of the Sandvik Intelligent Manufacturing Innovation Hub here in Pune, India, where Mastercam joins colleagues from other business units to simplify manufacturing in a whole new way. Mastercam is proud to be on this journey with Sandvik and expanding what our customers need in the marketplace by offering innovative solutions including AI and new technology that will make their jobs simpler, which saves them time and earns them more money. I'm Russ Bukowski, president of Mastercam. At the Innovation Hub, Mastercam is excited to collaborate with other businesses within Sandvik to bring new innovations, such as exciting new toolpath technology, artificial intelligence in form of Mastercam Copilot and CAD AI functionality, as well as exciting other projects that we have yet to announce. We are already working really hard alongside our counterparts within other business units in Sandvik, both within CAM, simulation, and metrology, to find synergies that will increase the capabilities of not just Mastercam, but the entire Sandvik portfolio for our customers.
Mastercam has got a very big reach in the industry. It's an industry leader as well as a leader in the Sandvik business units. Having the ability to set up a development team over here gives the other business units a lot more leverage in terms of accelerating and getting the successes of Mastercam replicated across other business units as well.